Oh no, we're going out of control! Whoa.
Hey guys, it's Miriam
And Patrick!
with lots of toys. Check out these fun new magnets. They're shape magnets. It's a square set. We have over 30 pieces. Check it out. We've got some red, blue, green, yellow, and purple pieces. 6 pieces each.
Did anyone say green?
Yeah, green too.
Yay! We also have train car magnet tiles.
Yeah, it's a car set. Includes 2 car bases. These are by Playmags.
I love tiles, especially magnet tiles.
Yeah, they're super fun. And we do have some magnetic figurines by Pythagoras magnets we can play with.
Woo! I have the magnet tiles too. The previous magnet tile.
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun with these figurines here.
Woo!
Be sure to check out this video. We've unboxed these Pythagoras magnets. They're accessories. Click the link at the end of the video to see them.
If you like magnet tiles, tell me which ones you like, and we will try to get them for you guys. Neat.
What can we build today?
Let's build whatever we can. Oh, look, a mashup. Look over here. Mashup
Cool.
of yellow, green, purple, red, blue.
Oh my goodness, look how many we get.
They're just blocks. These are the ones I had in my preschool.
Yeah, let's see, what can you build with them?
What did we get? It was bubble wrapped.
Wow, these are giant. Oh my goodness. I did not expect this. This is super cool. What can we do with all of these? What can we build?
We have to build together because these train cars can do that.
Yeah, I like that. Let's build together instead. We have a red train card. Then we have an orange one.
Red! I want the red.
And they do connect. Look.
I'm putting all the magnet tiles on one car. Whee! How heavy will this train be? Chugga chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo. How will we build a train?
We're gonna build a train car.
Are you gonna build?
Express train?
No, that takes you across the world, which has like beds and stuff. Remember that train that takes you across the country that you have to sleep in? Amtrak. Are you building the Amtrak?
Yeah, a version of it anyways.
I'm building my line.
Your favorite color is green, we can tell.
And
mine is...
Blue.
Yeah, you can tell, right?
My dad's also favorite color is green, so I outnumber you.
Yeah. I'm gonna put yellow.
For a roof. Is that inconvenient?
Yeah.
I want to decorate the inside, to be fair. We have to make seats out of these magnet tiles. I'm making seats.
I like your seats.
This is a conductor. Well, a lot of people say he's a police, but I say he's a conductor. I'm putting him in here. I'm also putting the firefighter in here. They're going in my seats. So now I'll put the roof. 1 and...
Perfect.
I want to put a blue roof so it's like a skylight. I made a track. Here's the track. These are traps. These are emergency safety doors.
I love the track that you built.
It could have been longer if we did use these magnet tiles.
Cool. This is amazing.
Hey, now you can see. This is how you have to build a track stopper. See, you just make like kind of a cube shape. Not a cube. So then you have to bring it up like that.
What a great idea. Chugga chugga choo choo.
Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugga chugga choo choo. Oh no, we're going out of control. Oh.
This video was sponsored by Pythagoras magnets. Cool, this is amazing. Chugga chugga choo choo.
Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugga chugga choo choo.
This is amazing. The magnets are super strong. They can hang upside down. I love her outfit and her pigtails. Here's the nurse. Hello, hello, hello. Everything moves, including her arms. Her head rotates. Cool.
I'm taking all of the characters for myself. Mine, mine, mine. Yeah!
Even her torso and her legs. They all move. Here's the construction guy. Look at his freckled face. He's got his overalls. Yeah, love the baseball cap too. Here's the firefighter. He's got his safety helmet on, of course. And the tough policeman. His uniform is awesome. He's got his badge. Take a look at these fun new magnets. These are 4 figurines. They're by a company called Pythagoras Magnets. They're an intelligent magnetic construction set for brain development. And there's some fun educational toys. There's a policeman. There's a builder. He's a construction guy. A nurse. And a firefighter. And check it out, he's hanging upside down. Awesome. They're super fun, educational, and you can also mix and match them with other magnetile sets. They're adorable figurines. Check out the cute faces. Can't wait to open them up. And I love the packaging too. They're actually in a gift set box.
Hello.
Hey, Patrick.
Now we can finally take the wrapping off. And why is that guy upside down? Whoa. Well, we have 3 boys and 1 girl. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Check out these magnet figurines. What do you think? Oh my goodness, they're so cute.
Gretel's upside down. You can't get me, you can't get me. Oh no! Oh! Ah! Whoa, I'm doing a head spin! No! It got me. Let's do more magnetic things.
Yeah, I would love to see what else we can do with the magnets.
I'll go get the next magnet.
So what's our challenge with the fidget spinners?
We have to make them spin on the spinner. Then we have to spin it for 30 seconds.
Yeah.
1, 2, and you cannot keep spinning it. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's do 2 and 2, see how this works. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Fail.
It's a deal you have to do, look.
Look how they're staying upside down. Cool.
Let's get the next magnet.
Let's see if these guys can hang upside down. And they can. Now shake them really hard. Let's see the next magnets.
They also hang upside down. Look. Whee.
I have a magnet board here. Let's see if they can hang upside down. And yes, look at this. Yeah, perfect. They're hanging on. Cool. I also have a bunch of magnets here. They're the magnet tiles. We have two different kinds of shapes. Squares and also triangles. Let's see, what can we build with this? Maybe a house? We need a floor for our house. Let's make a roof. Peekaboo, I see you in there. Hey, it looks like your house needs fixing. Just gonna hang out over here. You're gonna need me too if your house catches on fire. I'll stand guard over here. This video is sponsored and funded by Pythagoras Magnets. If you'd like to purchase this toy, click the link down below in the description. Click the VIP link for a free ebook.